The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at two messages that can be quite confusing when you are trying to recover access to your Google account. And the first one is as follows. I've entered the email address that I believe is the correct one for my Google account, and I'm going to double check and say forgot email, just in case I'm misremembering. So I'm now being asked to enter my phone number or recovery email. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to actually enter my recovery email address, and I'm going to click on next. And here I'm being asked to enter my first and last name, and click on next. And I'm being told no account found. There is no Google account with the info that you provided. So this is the first message. This doesn't mean that the Google account that I'm looking for doesn't exist. It's just not secured with the recovery options that I think it is secured with, and it certainly doesn't use my first and last name. So now let's look at the other message, and for that I have slightly altered the email address, and I'm going to click on next. And here I'm being told couldn't find your Google account. So that is different because in this case, the Google account with that particular email address literally doesn't exist. So there is a difference. This message tells you in red, couldn't find your Google account. So this particular Google account with this particular email address does not in fact exist. And the previous message was more a case of there is no Google account that uses those recovery options, but it could still exist. So therein lies the difference. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.